In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design t-shirts with Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's jump right in. Designing t-shirts can be a fun and fulfilling endeavor. Whether you're looking to promote a brand, sell merchandise, or just create something for yourself or friends, Printful is an excellent platform for this, as it allows you to customize various products easily. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Printful. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's super easy and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Navigate your way to the Product Templates section. This is where all the magic begins. Once you click on Product Templates, you'll see an option to Create Product. This step is crucial because it opens up a world of customizable options. In the search bar, type in T-shirts and hit Enter. This will filter out all the available t-shirt models you can design. You'll notice that Printful offers a variety of styles, colors, and fits. Take your time exploring them to find the one that aligns with your vision. After selecting the t-shirt you want to customize, click on the Start Designing button. From here, you'll be presented with a variety of options. The first thing you'll notice is a palette of available colors and sizes. Choose a color that you think would work well with your design. Keep your target audience in mind. Different colors appeal to different people. Next, let's dive into the fun part, uploading your design. Click on the Upload button to select a file from your computer. This could be an image, a graphic, or a logo that you've created or sourced. Make sure your design is high quality and meets the recommended resolution for the best results. Once your file is uploaded, you can begin to resize and position your design on the t-shirt. This part is pretty vital because a well-placed design can significantly impact the overall look. You can drag the corners of your design to resize it and position it exactly where you want it. Don't be afraid to experiment. Taking a moment to frequently check the product preview is essential as well. This preview allows you to see how your design will actually look on the t-shirt, which helps in ensuring that everything is positioned correctly. It's your chance to make adjustments before finalizing your design, so take advantage of it. Now, as you finalize your design, take a look at the available product variants. Printful typically allows for various options, like different sizes, colors, and even styles in some cases. It's important to review these options to cater to your audience's preferences, ensuring there's something for everyone. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Click on the Save Product Template button to store your design. This step is essential because it ensures that you can return to your design later or even make further edits if necessary. And just like that, your t-shirt design is now saved in Printful. You can always go back to manage your designs, make changes, or even create more products. Remember, the beauty of Printful is the ease of use combined with a range of customization options, so don't hesitate to get creative. If you enjoyed this process and found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!